Are we on Mars? Welcome to the Bentonite Hills of Utah. Simply put, this place is otherworldly. Join us as we explore these vivid rainbow hills with varying hues of red, blue, brown, gray, green, and purple. Please subscribe and let's get rolling. All right, here we go. Quiet on the set. So we are getting ready to head out right now. We got the engine humming. We're looking at doing the Bentonite Hills today. This is an exciting one. We got to get out on an ATV to get to this special location. We got Jeff, first time ever driving an ATV. He's our initial driver this morning. Hope you enjoy this video. The Bentonite Hills are located just east of Capitol Reef National Park in southern Utah and west of the town of Hanksville. Exiting Highway 24, we took our ATV up a dirt road called Cathedral Valley. Almost immediately, the hills appeared and continued throughout the ride. It's no wonder scientists have chosen this location to host the Mars Desert Research Station. Please protect this national gem. The surface is easily damaged. Foot travel should be limited to the previously disturbed areas and wash bottoms, and vehicles must stay on the designated roadways. Thanks so much for joining us at the Bentonite Hills. If you haven't done so yet, I'd be so grateful if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel. And remember, here at America's Parks, there's always room for you on our next National Park adventure.